We run around in pursuit of happiness, but we often ignore the original starting point, ourselves. The more you look out, the more tired you feel. The more you go back to the heart, the more at ease you feel. The real healing is to let go of external attachment and get to know that simple and sincere self again. You don't have to cater to the world, just accept yourself. When you return to the nation, the world will also smile at you. Choose to see your inner abundance and feel the inherent tranquility. When we are no longer attached to external possessions, the mind can be truly free and experience unrestrained lightness and joy. The way home is not in the distance, but in the heart. When we put down the excessive role and mask and are willing to look at ourselves with a sincere heart, we will find that the most original self has never been far away. Go home and pick up the lost tenderness step by step. Transcending appearances, insight into the true essence of things, and understanding that all laws are born from the heart. Be careful and clear, so that you can see the reality of all things and no longer be deceived by vanity. This understanding of the original heart allows us to turn from external pursuit to internal exploration and find that the real treasure is in our hearts. In the hustle and bustle of the world, find a harbor to rest so that the soul can breathe. When the sound waves of the outside world gradually move away, the inner sound can emerge clearly. At this moment, feel the gentle ups and downs of breathing and relax your body and mind slowly. Those thoughts that were once held on to were also gently put down at this moment, like fine sand that could not be held in the hand, passing away with the wind. Experience the lightness and ease, and realize that the essence of the heart is pure and peaceful. When the state of mind is precipitated, you will find that the real peace is never in the distance, but in the depths of returning to the original, a self-sufficient peace, quietly waiting to be discovered. Let go of the pursuit of the outside, return to the most primitive state of the heart, and feel the clarity and calmness after washing. This calm power can smooth all the waves and bring deep healing and nourishment. In daily life, we are always constantly exploring the outside, trying to grasp something to fill the inner gap. However, the true perfection has always been inherent in oneself. You don't need to pursue it deliberately, just accept the true and complete self gently. Perhaps the loss in the past made you feel tired, but now it's time to let your heart go home. This home is not in a specific place, but in your understanding and acceptation of yourself. When you are no longer trapped by the outside world and no longer influenced by the evaluation of others, you will find that a firm and gentle power is quietly growing in your heart. This power will guide you through the fog to a wider landscape. Connect with the inner true self and feel the pure joy. Let go of the stubbornness of the past and the worries of the future. Live in the present and feel and create wholeheartedly. Your heart is free, infinite, and self-sufficient. Show your truest light bravely.